in this video I'm going to show you kind of what I would recommend for downloading these photos off of Google Drive. So when you clicked on the link that I sent you for the Lyman and Payton aerials, this is what you'd see. You have the Albert ones, the Lyman ones, and then the sign/billboard photos. So one thing you could do is this Tom Schmidt folder. So you can actually click that. That's going to show you some of the shoots that I've sent Tom. It's going to be in this Tom Schmidt folder. So there's the Lyman and Payton aerials folder. I would click these three dots here and then go ahead and download. So then you're going to download everything that's in the Lyman and Payton photos folder. It's going to include the Albert, the Lyman, the sign/billboard. So once you clicked on the three dots to download, it's going to pop up right here. On the bottom right, it's going to say preparing download, zipping one file. So right now it's zipping up all the subfolders in that folder. So once that's downloaded, I'll go to the next step here. Alrighty, so once the folder is finished downloading, you can check by going up here. You can see right here it's finished downloading. So now you would just minimize the internet, and you can click on the File Explorer here so that it opens your downloads. Click on Downloads here, and then this is a folder that we downloaded from Google Drive. It's zipped right now. So all you'd have to do is right-click this folder and press Extract All, or you can click on the folder and then it's this button here, Extract All. You want to press that. So once this window pops up, you just want to press Extract, and then it'll pull everything out of the zipped folder. Let that finish. Alright, so now that that's done, here's the folder that it extracted. You can go ahead and delete the zipped folder. After you extract anything from a zip folder, you can just delete the zip to your recycle bin. So here's the folder from Google Drive. Double click it, boom, there's the Lyman and Payton aerials. So what I would do is, once you're inside this folder here, I would just drag the folder onto your desktop for now. Or I don't know how you would normally do it, but I just put it on the desktop just to make it easy for the example. So now there's nothing in this folder here. You can actually delete that now. So now we have the Lyman and Payton aerials. We'll double click that, open that. There's our three folders that are inside. I'll just go ahead and show you. There's a full resolution, small resolution. You see all these photos. We go back. Here's the Lyman, full res, small res. There's the video, and here's all the photos in the small resolution. So let's go back. So here, now that we're in the folder, Lyman and Payton aerials, let's create a new folder. So this is just kind of what I do. What I would do is right-click inside the folder, go to New, let's create a new folder, and let's just name it MLS Uploads. So these are the photos that we're going to upload to MLS. So I double click it, there's nothing in it right now. It's a new folder. So let's go into the Lyman aerials and then the small res MLS. So these are the photos that you want to choose from to upload, right? So now that this folder is open, the Lyman aerials small res, what we're going to do is we're going to open the folder again here. So now you have two windows here. Alright, so one of the windows you want to have MLS uploads. So this is our empty folder. And then the other window is the photos that we're choosing from. So we're going to have two windows here. So what I would do is kind of go through. Oh yeah, and if your folder looks like this, or if it looks like this, you can actually just right click, go to View, Extra Large Icons, so that it looks like this, because you want to be able to see the photos. So now that we can see the photos, you kind of just go through. I just double click any of these photos so it opens up, and then you can use the right arrow key to kind of scroll through, see which ones you want. Once you kind of know which ones you want and you see them here, you can just select them. So let's just say, for an example, I want this first photo, and then I want to hold down Control on my keyboard, and then I want to click on any additional photos. So I want this photo, I'm holding down Control. I want these two photos. It shows the without the boundary, with the boundary. So I Control click these two, and then I Control click these two. So now I'm just holding down Control. So now I have selected 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 photos. And let's select these two also. So I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 photos selected. We'll just do this to make it 8. So I have 8 photos selected. Let's say these are the photos, out of all these photos, for as just an example, these are the 8 photos that I want to upload to MLS. Once you have the photos all selected in your folder, you just right-click one of them, and then I would just copy. So copy those photos, go back to this screen here, right-click, paste. So now all the photos that you want that you want to upload, they are all in this new folder. And again, if it looks like this, you just right-click somewhere inside the folder, go to View, Extra Large Icons. So now these are the photos that you want to upload, and it's in its own folder here, MLS Uploads. So now let's just exit out of everything real quick, and I'll kind of show you one more time. This is the Lyman and Payton Aerials folder. Double-click that. So here's our MLS Uploads. So these are the photos that we're going to be uploading to MLS. Right-click, View, Extra Large, so you can see them again. So let's say you want these 8 photos from the Lyman shoot. Let's go to the Elbert shoot. So you can actually name this even. We'll go right-click, or you can just click once and then click again. We'll just name it Lyman MLS Uploads, or like Lyman Best Photos. So let's just create another folder, new folder. We'll name it Elbert Best Photos. So now we have these 2 photos. Let's open up the the Elbert Best Photos. So now there's nothing in the folder. So we'll just put that to the side right now. Reopen this folder again. Go into the Elbert Aerials, the small res photos. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. There's 11 photos. Let's say you want to upload 9 of these photos. Maybe this one, you hold down Control. You want to upload this one, this one, this one, this one, this one, this one, and this one. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So we chose 8 photos out of these 11. So once you have these 8 photos chosen, again, you just right-click one of the photos that you selected, and then copy. So now we copied all 8 of these. So we'll go ahead and minimize this for now. Go ahead and right-click inside of our new folder, paste. Here are the 8 photos. View, Extra Large Icons. Boom. So now we have our favorite photos inside the Elbert Best Photos here. So we have the Elbert Best Photos, and then we have the Lyman Best Photos here. And then so now when you're ready to upload to MLS, you can just go into these folders here and then just upload them like that. I think maybe this would be like a kind of an easy way to do it. There might be, there is other ways to do it, but this is kind of just what I do. I just create separate folders, and it's just all saved on your computer, just so that you don't have to. I'm not sure if you're doing it like this, but you could go into the Google Drive and then go to the Elbert, or actually we'll go into the Lyman Aerials, small res, and I'm not sure if you could also do it like this. Like you could click on each photo you want, hold down Control, click on the first photo, and maybe I want this one and this one. Holding down Control still, you want these 2, you want this one, you want these 2. Once you have all your photos selected like this, you could also just right-click here and then download, and then it would just download the photos you selected from the Google Drive. So you could do it like that, but in my opinion, it's a little bit better to just save all the photos in a folder, so you have all of them just in case on your computer, and you can kind of just pick and choose which ones you want from your computer. So yeah, let me know if you have any questions. It might seem slightly complicated the way I explain it, and I apologize if it is, but yeah, if you have any questions, you can just let me know.